Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna have my daughter doing my makeup and I'm just gonna tell her what to do step by step.
Guys, last time when I was 2 years old, I did it wrong. Color do one.
Whichever one you think is better. For the eyebrows.
These are for the eyebrows. Wait, is that good?
Whatever you think. So you do it.
Good. It looks good, actually. There you go. Good. I actually did a great job. Wait, what? Then what?
And then now you're gonna put it underneath my eyebrows. There you go. Okay, now next one. Are you gonna like doing makeup too, Linda? You're gonna grow up and be a makeup artist?
Because you're a makeup artist. Okay, now the other side. It looks good. It looks so pretty. That's a pretty color. Okay, ooh. I'll get you this light so the sparkle can come out.
You wanna put the eyelashes on next? Or you wanna do the face?
Wait, could you do the eyelashes? I need to stay scared.
Okay. Put it as close to the lash line as you can. There we go.
Why is there white like here?
It's okay. Maybe it'll dry.
I put it on your chin too.
Everywhere. On my nose, forehead.
Okay, on the side of your eye. It's like getting red. A little bit. Is it? Are you hot?
No.
I need, where's the foundation?
Right there.
Oh yeah, I know how to do this. On your chin too. Like I just dab it?
You can brush it. Smooth it out.
There you go. I'm actually doing pretty good, guys.
Make like a V.
The glue is getting clear. Baby, what do I do on the...
So now you're gonna smooth that out too. And just drag it down.
Oh no. I almost put it on your eye. Mom, can we make a video like that eye do your makeup? I mean, my makeup?
That I do your makeup?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, we can do that.
There. Go.
There?
Is that good?
Yeah.
It's gonna get wet, actually. Maybe.
Just leave it there, and then we're gonna go on to the other side. Later we'll dust it off.
Later we'll dust it off.
Mm-hmm. At least this time I'm not putting lipstick on my cheeks.
Oh yeah! Never ever, guys. Do you see the last video?
That was a cute video though. You're so little.
I know! Like a chubby wubby.
My chubby baby.
When I was a baby, guys. When I was a baby.
And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a 3.
Is that enough?
Mm-hmm.
Like do a 3 on your cheek.
Okay, that's good. Just blend it out. So do a 3 on this side.
Now pound it on. There you go.
Okay, now we can dust off the white.
It's getting actually light. There. There you go. Some in your eye.
A little bit.
Sorry.
It's okay.
I knew it.
This
So
one?
tiny. Oh, that's purple. My favorite color, guys.
Okay, so get the highlight and you're gonna put just a little bit like on the brush like this. And now you're gonna put it on top of my cheekbones up here.
Cheekbones.
Mm-hmm.
Dab it.
On the top, more on the top.
Then what?
Okay. Ooh. You love this?
Yes.
Okay, you got it on there?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Is
Now
it on?
I'm gonna put it a little bit on my nose.
Like.
Just shake it a little. Shake it a little. Yeah, there you go. You know where to put. You know where to put blush.
Yeah, it's on your cheek.
Okay.
It's always on your cheek. Because no putting it on your forehead. It's supposed to be. There's nothing putting it on your neck. I put lipstick on.
Oh, do you want to put the eyeliner on?
Oh yeah! Where do I put it? I forgot.
On top of the eyelashes.
It goes on your lips because it's called lipsticks. Oh, it's so pretty. I put some on mine. Look at this pretty lipstick. And it looks bad. Like, oh, making it worse. Some on me too.
Let's see, show your lips. Wow, you did a good job putting it on yourself.
Because I was looking here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a nice day watching this video.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video that I did with my daughter. And I'll see you guys on the next one.